Let us go back in time to early 1800s when this incident happened. In a small town, Florence in Italy, a priest and a little girl were walking back from the church when they met a shepherd boy. Looking at him, the priest inquired, "How have you been, Roger? And where is that dog of yours?" Suddenly looking grieved, he told the priest, "My dog Cap is in a terrible state, Father. I don't think he'll survive. The street boys stoned him mercilessly. I think he has a terrible infection. I'm planning to end his life, and with it, his pain." "What?" the little girl exclaimed in agony. "Oh no! There must be another way. Besides, killing the poor thing." Roger replied, "You should see him growling in pain. It is sheer torture." "Oh yes, I do want to meet him. Let's see what we can do." And so she followed the shepherd Roger to his cottage. On seeing the wounded dog, she ran towards him and started comforting him. "Oh dear, I know it hurts, but you'll be okay soon." She then went about cleaning his wounds, fermenting and bandaging them. Both Roger and the girl were thrilled to see the improvement in his health. This little girl took a vow to dedicate her life to service. She was none other than Florence Nightingale, and she grew up to be the mother of nursing. With her love and compassion, she touched many lives and healed thousands of wounded soldiers. If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe.